Welcome back to Tech Avro. Do you have a scanned image or locked PDF file and need to copy or edit the text inside it? You do not need to install any paid conversion tools or copy text manually line by line. Google Drive has a free built-in OCR feature that extracts text from images and PDFs in seconds. Here is how to do it step by step. First, open Google Drive and upload your scanned image or PDF document. Locate the uploaded file inside your Drive main dashboard. Right-click on the file, hover over Open With and select Google Docs from the side menu. Google Drive will automatically process the file and convert the visual text into editable content. A new Google Doc will open showing your original image at the top and the fully extracted editable text right below it. You can now edit, copy, format, or translate the text directly inside your document. If this free text conversion trick saved you time, please like this video and subscribe to Techavro for more quick tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.